So why is this important? Why do organizations need to have a pipeline council meeting? Why is it something that necessitates all the time and resources that go into it?
Well, I think this meeting can be very, very helpful in supporting sales and marketing alignment and just cross-functional alignment across the business. Some people will say, oh, we've already got a sales and marketing meeting. We get together on Mondays and we talk about what's going on. But most of the time, those are like FYI kinds of sessions, and you're sharing what's coming up and what you're doing, and everybody gets patted on the back, and then you go back to your desk, keep going about your day. They're not necessarily times that are used for solving problems together. And so one of the most important things about the Pipeline Council is this sort of contract up front that we're not going to pull any punches. We're not going to gloss over any of the problems that we see. We're going to be very real with each other and dig into the problems and try to figure out, how do we solve this with each other? And I think most sales and marketing alignment is built on a foundation of, giving each other lots of support and praise, not necessarily built on digging into issues and solving those deeper problems. And so Pipeline Council is a dedicated time and space where, your more senior leadership from all of your teams can really talk openly about what's going on and where we need to work together.